I think it is generally recognized by everyone that the country is in a state of crisis as far as the matter of crime and violence is concerned. We are seeing thus far a 19% increase in murders, and even that rate appears to have jumped sharply since the start of June, where I'm advised that there have been some 70 murders in 10 days. It is an intolerable and unacceptable situation. It is not enough to say that this is a matter of criminals killing criminals. Too much grief is being caused among Jamaican families. Too much insecurity is being spread among people in communities. This level of violence threatens the reputation of the country internationally. It breeds a general sense of lawlessness, and it deters investment activity and imperils critical sectors like tourism. There is no need for some national effort, and as has been indicated by our spokesman on national security, the People's National Party is willing to participate in a national effort to develop an effective plan to stop the bloodletting. What we are seeking is not a conversation between the minister and the opposition spokesman, nor are we seeking a conversation between the PNP and the JLP in this matter. There are other critical stakeholders, including, for example, security experts at our universities, the trade unions, the private sector organization of Jamaica, the Peace Management Initiative and other NGOs who have an interest in this matter, and community organizations. The time is now to stop ignoring this problem and to stop making flip political commentary about this very serious matter that is before us. Jamaica is bleeding, and our people cannot endure this crisis any longer without some serious direction being given as to the way forward. I'm going to ask the opposition spokesman to share his perspectives on the dimensions of the problem and elements of the solution which we see.